Hi guys, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So sorry I have so much lint on my sweater right now. I've been hugging and kissing the fur babies all day, so if you see a lot of lint on me, just ignore it, okay? Just ignore it. Arnold just gave me a lint remover. Honestly, I don't really know where I'm going with this video. What I do know is that I wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys and see how you're doing. I know that the entire world has been chaotic and crazy, to say the least, because of the coronavirus, aka COVID-19. So I wanted to come on here and check up on you guys and I just wanted to check up on you guys and see how you're doing with all of this. And honestly, I would be lying if I said that I wasn't scared about all of this. I feel like the past few days it's definitely escalated, and I just want you guys to know that if you're also feeling sad, anxious, worried, lonely, scared about all of this, just know that you're not alone and it's totally okay to feel like this right now. I think the biggest thing and the most important thing right now is to stay calm, be safe, and don't believe everything that you see on the internet. Only rely on reliable source. Currently, as of right now, as I'm filming this video, Los Angeles is pretty much on lockdown already. They've told all gyms, all restaurants, all cinemas, all malls, I believe, all schools, everything is closed right now. A lot of people are being hit financially because of the coronavirus, and I have been very fortunate enough to be able to work from home, and I've been thinking of ways to give back to you guys. And one of the things that I would absolutely love to do for you guys is to help you out with your groceries or your bills. So for those of you who are out of work because you're quarantined, locked down, or you lost your job, please DM me. I'm gonna leave my username, my Instagram username right here, and DM me either your PayPal or your Venmo. Actually, I don't have a Venmo, but I'll use my sister's Venmo to Venmo you. Obviously, I don't have billions and billions of dollars. If I did, I would give back to all of you, but I will do my very best to give back to as many of you as I can. So yeah, if you're out of work because of this crazy chaos, DM me on Instagram. My only request is that you please only DM me if you absolutely need it. I just want it to be fair and give back to the ones who absolutely 100% need it right now because of the coronavirus. I'm gonna be sending out $100 to some of you, so yeah, again, DM me. I'm gonna be using my sister's account, so if you see it's coming from heartdefensor, then that's my sister. That's coming from me. Also, another thing I wanted to do in this video is organize with you guys. I want to organize my office desk with you guys. I have been wanting to organize my desk for about, I don't know, 6 to 7 months now, and it's finally happening because, you know, your girl is quarantined. Also, let me know down in the comment section if you guys want to see me organize other things, because I have other things to organize, okay? I have my pantry, I got my bathrooms, I got my, ooh, do you guys want to see a sneaker collection, like a shoe collection video? Because that's my next task, is to organize my shoes, my sneakers. So if you want to see that, if you want me to film that for you, I will do it. Give this video a like, hit the thumbs up button so I know. Also, if you ever need someone to talk to, my DMs on Instagram is always open. I'm always here for you guys. If you want to chat, you can leave me a comment down in the comment section, and I always do my best to respond to as many of you as possible. But yeah, okay, enjoy me cleaning my office desk.
Safety, we can run away to another place. No need to worry, escape reality.